Just got back from the park. We got ourselves a nice lake trout.
Let me see that laker.
So I'm gonna show you how I it's like a butterfly. How I clean them up, especially for travel as well. Keeps the skin on them, and then you fold them open, and they're great for baking. Step one: get yourself a pint.
Oh, wait. Hold on. We actually are on our, second or third?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Like we're starting with any fish, we're going to cut right behind the gill plate. Cut right through on an angle. All right, to the spine. We're going to flip this guy over.
That darn phone.
Cut through again here. Now this way, we're going to leave all the ribs actually on the fish. So what are we going to do here, if you want to film it, is we run the blade right down here on the one side of the spine, right into the spine. And we cut around the fin, then we can peel it back and we can cut. Once we get past the dorsal, you can push it right through to the other side, and we can come down following the spine all the way down until we clean it right off. So we go back up here and we keep running down here. You're going to cut through the lateral bones, but not the ribs. And just follow the ribs the whole way, trying to keep as much meat as you can on it. Once you have this side done,
Yeah.
okay, you flip it over and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, starting at the top, we're going to feed it all the way down. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to peel all the way up. So I just want to catch some more of that I missed. Right along the ribs until you finally cut through to the belly. Clean it off at this front spot here, you can see. And that's empty, and all you're left here with is your two full fillets. They still have the lateral bones in. I leave those in until we cook it. I find that's easiest.
Beautiful trout.
So that's ready for the barbecue or to throw it on a baking pan. And if not, we'll vacuum seal it just like that until next time. Skin out, meat not exposed.
See you next time.